So let's go through the summary of find coordinate. Now there are a few ways I can find coordinate. Okay, the first one is simultaneous. What does simultaneous means?
They give you one don't know what, one
So for example, I have this, I have A, B, C. Then I say find point B. How find point B? Point B is here, right? Do you agree they meet? So equation AB will be what? Y equal 3x plus 4. Equation BC, y equal negative 4x plus 5. Then what do you do? Solve simultaneous.
You cannot do like this one.
Cannot ma? Why cannot do gradient formula? Because these two lines not parallel, not perpendicular, do what gradient? There's no gradient to talk about. Unless you say A, B and B, C, they are parallel. Or they are perpendicular. Then the gradient can come in.
Then how you know is y equals to 3x?
Anyhow one this one. Anyhow from one number one.
So this is using the coordinate.
No, this is using the line of equation.
Y equals to mx plus c.
Y equals to mx. So it's y equals to mx plus c. You understand? So I sub in, I solve, x equals to 2. I sub back, solve, y equals to 4. What does it mean? B is 2, 4. Like that. This is what it means by simultaneous equation. To find coordinate. Okay. Second method is to use the intercept. X-intercept. Now x-intercept means I have an axis, and this axis is 1, 0. This one is 3, 0, right? So that means what? Let y be 0, and then you can find x. Similarly, if I want to have y-intercept, I want to find y-intercept, what do I do?
Let x equals 0.
Let x equal to 0, then you sub in, then you find the answer. So this one quite straightforward. But what do you need? You also need the equation of the line, right? No equation how to sub. You need one equation to sub in, Okay. Now next one. Midpoint formula. Just now in the previous video we go through, right? Remember? So how do I use this? I draw the diagram, let you see. Remember the diagram, something like that. Then I say, oh, this is x. This is midpoint, right? Then this is y. How to find y? Use the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula just now. Remember? So this one done. D. Use gradient or length formula. So what does it mean? So gradient use what? That means they tell you maybe both lines are parallel. So gradient is the same. Then you can find. Or gradient are perpendicular. Then m1 times m2 equals to -1. Then you can find. Now last one, length formula. This one I haven't go through yet, so maybe you go through here. Length formula means what? How to find length?
The y1 plus
square root.
The formula thing. I don't know formula.
So got to memorize. x1 wrong. x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Can I switch x2 x1? Can. But can I switch x1 x2 then the other one y1 y2? Cannot. So you must follow sequence. If this is x1, this is y1. Okay? This is something like the Pythagoras theorem. So don't be alarmed. So far okay? Alright? We will make use of, of course the last one is vector formula. Vector formula, I will leave it to Emacs to teach you first, then I show you. It's easier. Vector is learned in Set 4. So by by O level you are ready. Okay? I'm going to use all these methods to solve the whole entire of question 8.